In this video, let's learn how to divide the number 1000 by 40 using the long division method. See that 1 is less than 40, 10 is also less than 40. That is why we will consider the number 100. We know that 40 times 2 is 80. Subtract, we get 20. Now as 20 is less than 40, that is why we will bring down this adjacent 0 here. And we know that 40 goes into 200 by 5 times. If we subtract, we get a 0. As we have got the number 0 and we have no number to bring down here, so we will stop. Therefore, 1000 divided by 40 is equal to 25. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.